Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reporting that they got time sensitive message failed to send error. When this error occurred, some of their messages has randomly sent and some has not. Here I am going to share you the solutions to get rid of this issue. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. For that, launch Settings app, enable airplane mode, then wait for 30 seconds and disable it. Solution 2. Turn off and on VPN. If VPN is enabled on your device, disable and enable it. For that, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now tap on VPN and Device Management. Tap on your connected VPN, then turn it off and on it. Then check if you can send the messages or not. Solution 3. Refresh iMessages. To do this, go to Settings app, scroll down and tap on Messages. Here disable iMessage and wait for 20 seconds, then enable it. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone 2nd and 3rd generation, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 6s Plus and earlier models, press and hold the home button and power or side button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5. Check date and time settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General. Tap on Date and Time. Make sure that you have set correct date and time. Turn off and on set automatically. Solution 6. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 7. Reset network settings. When you do reset network settings, all your connected Wi-Fi passwords will be reset. Make sure that you know your Wi-Fi password. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.